It's weekend again. Oh, more. Happy weekend to you guys. Welcome back. Today we'll be rounding up the um, topic of how to, um, in fact, not just that, how to go through a skincare regimen for lightening, toning, and glowing. Today we'll be talking on the toning and glowing last parts. So there's nothing much in them. Somehow I feel like they're kind of the same thing, but you can decide not to tone a little bit but still glow. That is why they are also different in a way too. Now let's go straight to the things you need for glowing your skin. This time around you need a good soap. It doesn't matter which type of soap. If it's lightening soap, fine and good. If it's just a moisturizing soap, just go for a good moisturizing soap. Things like um, Dove soap. For those of us in Nigeria, K Brothers extract. What's it called? Ashanti. All those kind of soaps. They are nice. They are very nice. They can go alongside with your toning products and all that. Even though some of them can lighten you, but they don't lighten badly like that. You get me? So you can use any soap of your choice, and even if it's a whitening soap, if you know you use a whitening soap, you should be ready not to use a toning, or although you can use a mild toning lotion. But anyway, let me go back. I'm debating. Let me go back to what we did. So you need a good soap. You also need a body scrub. See, scrub is something we need, whether you're toning, whether you're glowing, whether you're lightening. It's just that for lightening you will need more scrubbing, maybe 2 times a week, but for toning you just need it probably once a week or even once in 2 weeks, depending on how your skin is. For me, I just scrub. Okay, for now I'm no longer lightening. For now I'm just toning my skin, like just taking care of it, toning it. That's just what I'm doing now, presently now. So I just you just need a scrub. I'm beginning to mix everything up. Let me quickly talk the ingredients. I've talked about the soap, the body scrub. Um, you just need a moisturizing body scrub. You don't need a whitening body scrub, because you know they have whitening body scrub. Huh? So, normal body scrub, your exfoliating sponge, any sponge of your choice, and still normal water, warm water. Still stay away from hot water. As for the dressing part, which is the creams and all that, you'll be needing just a toning lotion or a toning cream. You know, there's a difference between a lotion and a cream. So when I say a toning lotion, they usually don't complicate the whole issue. Lotion is the one that is movable, that has locomotion in it. Lotion, locomotion. You understand? That has motion in it. While cream, it just stays, it's thick, and mainly, yeah, most times creams are in a jar. That's the difference. Okay, so you need your toning cream or toning lotion. If you don't want to tone too much, you can just get a normal moisturizing cream or moisturizing lotion, while your lightening soap will do the toning for you, will brighten your skin a little bit. And then you also need your face cream. Although some of these, anyway, but you still need a face cream. Me, I don't like risking it. You still need a face cream. You also need your essential oils, especially vitamin C this time around. You're trying to do vitamin C this time around with your sunscreen. You know, one thing with sunscreen, it will help to be keeping that your toning effect. How will I put it? If you don't apply sunscreen and you're toning, maybe you've applied your things today, you enter the sun and the sun will make you go back as if you're still in square one. I don't know how to explain it, but it will make you dark again. Today you go back, come back, apply again. If you think this toning stuff is not working, you still need sunscreen to see the effect more. It's not white, you're whitening, it's toning. It's toning, you're toning. Okay. Then you need any need for side effects cream or anti these things. I don't think they are so needed, but pretty much that is it. You don't really need a body butter. You don't really need it, because most toning these things are moisturizers. So don't go and over moisturize so that you don't break out. For me, I easily break out, like easily break out. So somehow body butters, except it's just for your knuckle areas to keep them soft and moisturized. But trust me, when you're using a good toning product, you're so well moisturized. So that's it for the ingredients, and let me tell you how to use them. It's the normal way. There's no special thing in it. You scrub, like I said, once in a week or once in 2 weeks. Use your toning soap. Now, your lightening soap or toning soap. Now, if you're using this kind of soap, when you want to bath, open your hands. You see, open those areas that are prone to getting dark. Fold them. Apply your soap. Apply your soap. Apply your soap. Apply soaps in those areas first. Then you carry your glove sponge and scrub them very well. Your knee everywhere. Scrub them very well, and then you're good to go. So, okay, what next? Then after having your bath and everything, you go in with your um, toning lotion. Toning lotions are mostly moisturizing, like you can moisturize like sweetly. They moisturize your skin sweetly, and most of them make your skin glow if you're using a good product. You know what? Let me promise you guys something, because it itch me for mouth. Let me promise you guys something. I will try and make videos of lightening products, another video of toning products, even explain how they work and all that, and also videos of just moisturizing products and products that will just things that will just make you glow just like that. It won't lighten you, it won't tone you, it's just making you shine. That's it. Okay, so after applying your moisturizing lotion and all your toning lotion, you go ahead with your sunscreen if you're going out. Now at night you apply your vitamin C first. After bathing, it's vitamin C that goes in first. On your face is going in first. If you apply it on your body, let it go in first. Then your vitamin E, I would advise you just mix it with your cream. Some like depends on the quantity of your cream. You know how many capsules you put or how many drops, you know. So I advise you just mix it and then apply your cream. No need for sunscreen at night. Then that is just it. If you're applying vitamin C, it has to go into your skin first before applying your toning lotion. Pretty much that's it. You see how simple it is. Yeah. Now the glowing, anybody can glow, trust me. Anybody can glow. If you're lightning, you can still glow up your skin. Glowing up your skin is just one process. Sorry. It's an addition of just one more process. Yes. Using nice oils. Like if you're using good products, you see that they have oil. So those oils, most times, let me give you people some secrets. Those oils, most times, when you finish applying your cream, apply everything. You just carry the oil small and apply on everything to seal up everything you've applied and make you shine. Let me repeat myself. If you're using good products that have glowing oils, that have oils with them, if you're not using and you want to make yourself, it's also easy to make. Yeah, it's just a few oils, natural oils like what's it called? This sweet almond oil. Oh my gosh, that thing can glow somebody's skin. I have this friend that's just using just the almond oil, like that is all she uses on her body. Only she doesn't even use cream. Okay, she's using it with an extract soap. That's it. Like she was having a little complications on her skin, and so she couldn't use products like that. So she just had to get the almond oil. Her skin is it's sweet. So you see that sweet almond oils are so nice. And if you want to make a mix, I'll tell you, don't mix plenty things. Okay, if you can mix the almond oil, sweet almond oil, with a tiny or teeny mini bit of grapeseed oil as well as your olive oil. Mix all of them. If you want to replace olive oil with coconut oil, it's your choice. Mix all of them, but somehow coconut oil darkens our skin, darkens some people's skin. So that's somehow. Some people it doesn't, but it just depends. And also coconut oil, I know the main thing I use with coconut oil is to make my skin get back to normal. How will I put it? When I'm done turning lightning and I just want my skin to come back to normal, coconut oil does the trick for me. So to just glow up your skin, all you just need is those nice oil, those natural oils, that is just what makes your skin shine and glow. So even if you love your color is okay, you're not lightening, you're not doing anything, you're just using your moisturizing soap and lotion and soap and all that, you can still glow by just adding up those oils to your skin. It's to make your skin sweet and succulent and also give your skin a uniform color. Like I was saying, I'll promise you guys, and I'll make a video of lightening products, toning products, and moisturizing products that are nice, that are so nice. But for the purpose of this video, for me not to keep some people in suspense, like, but which toning product would I use? You can just try Palmer's products, try Good Jeggings products, but it's just to read and know what you like and know what your body needs. So that's somehow why I can't tell you exactly, because I don't know how your body is, I don't know what you like, I don't know. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, so that you don't miss out to all of that juicy things, and turn on your notification bell so that it's not when you subscribe and then I'm posting and you're not seeing it. Why you can't subscribe? You don't get used. Sorry, you get used. But you know, when you subscribe and you want to be seeing the benefit of it, is to just click that bell so that you get the benefits. That's how I do. When I like somebody's video, or when I subscribe, I don't miss out that bell, so that I won't miss out to anything this person is posting. So please try it out, okay? Have a lovely weekend and stay blessed. All right.